Did you know Beethoven started losing his hearing in his late 20s, yet composed some of his most profound works completely deaf? It's a testament to his sheer genius and determination. Born in Bonn, Germany, Beethoven was a child prodigy forced to endure a strict and often harsh upbringing by his father. Despite this, he moved to Vienna and quickly established himself as a virtuoso pianist and composer. He was known for his fiery personality and breaking free from the traditional classical forms of his time. His music, bridging the classical and romantic eras, is marked by powerful emotions and dramatic intensity. Think of the iconic Symphony No. 5 with its unforgettable opening, or the soaring beauty of Für Elise. If you found this glimpse into Beethoven's world interesting, please share this video